Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry. We send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. Alright everyone, welcome to today's Forex market preview. And this is Josh, and today is April 21st, 2013. It is Sunday evening, Sunday around dinner time actually, in Eastern time, and we are going to go through our Forex market preview. We're going to go through several different currency pairs today, and to show you what I'm looking at here, let's start with the Euro USD. Now we're looking at the Euro USD weekly chart, and what I'm looking at here, and by the way, when I do these Forex market previews, I am not pre-planning these ahead. You're learning and watching right at the same point that I am. And one thing we see here is historically on this weekly chart that this 3150 mark has been a tremendous key level. It's not right, sometimes right on the line, sometimes it's right near the line, so I want to say ish, but pretty much most of the time the 3150 mark has been a very strong point. In fact, we did have last week a rejection of that level, a somewhat spinning top here, which is a potential of a market reversal. But long term, when we see, look at this chart, we start here where we have this fundamental shift. Things have been going down. We have nothing goes straight down, except for if you've been watching the yen pairs over the last couple months. But it goes down. We have retracements, down, retracement, down, and so on. And now it's been reversing since looks like end of July 2012. So what we've been getting is a nice run up. We have a pullback, a nice run up, and a pullback, and potentially a nice run back up. So what we're looking for is trying to determine whether we are in the middle of a run up, or if this continued base, that's the continued support or resistance level, is going to hold, because we did have this spinning top right here. Price kind of came up to that level. Once it broke down, it seems to me that we may be sitting here. Okay, let me try to simplify this a little bit. In Forex trading, one thing I run into all the time is when you have great trades, everybody praises you. When you have bad trades, everybody thinks you're the devil. Now here's the reality, folks. Hindsight is 20/20. You never know which market direction the trade is in, especially when you're looking at this, until it's after it already happened. So your job is to best determine the trend. Okay? And right now we are showing uptrend, uptrend, uptrend on the weekly chart. But what we need to determine here is if this turn down right here, since the drop down is pretty significant, whether this is just a retracement on the continuing uptrend, or if this is actually a turnaround point, and now price is going to continue up here and bounce down. Now what I'm looking at is, because we have Euro data coming out that's not been real satisfying, that the Euro is seeming to be kind of topping out at this point, is what I'm kind of looking at. And so what I'm expecting, since price right now is at 130.61, I would expect that price would, based on this weekly chart, to come up to this 3150 mark and at least test it and have a rejection off of that. So that's what I'm looking for there. Now let's go to the daily chart and see if we can find an opportunity off of that as well. And the same thing. In fact, this line right here that I have drawn, which is I've had drawn for a very long time, the 3123 mark, you can see here has been a huge resistance point. But on the weekly chart, 3150 was more like the most accurate level. So with that said, anywhere in the 3120 to 3170 range, I would be looking for a potential sell opportunity. On the daily chart, this thing has been going up, 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 but we're starting to see an easing off of over the last few days. This was, I do believe, Thursday. Let's see, the 18th, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, this would be Thursday, then Friday. So price came up and the wick on the top was lower, was bigger than the body. Same here. This is showing that price tried to shoot up and had a quick rejection. So I'm expecting the same type of thing, but if you look at it, it's still kind of working its way up. But I am going to be looking for a selling opportunity around 3140 to 3150 range, and put a stop above 3200, and watch this thing take a shoot down. Let's look at the pound dollar. Actually, before we do that, let's go back to the euro again real quick. I want to show you one thing. You see the fact that we're at 3160? I know, based on where I'm at, that the average daily range on this trading pair has been around 80 to 90 pips, especially about 80 seems to be a good number. So if we can get price to shoot up from today all the way up to another 80 pips, we're going to have a tendency that price has already hit a major resistance point and stretch itself past its daily limit range or up to it, and we could see a pullback off of that. So again, 3140 range is really what I'm looking at to take a sell position, and a stop loss above the 13200 mark. So anyway, daily range, which is in my training course, is a big factor to look at when you're looking at trades, especially when you're looking at taking longer term swing trades. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.